Something I struggled with online classes is being engaged in the class. But once I started turning on my camera more often, I felt like everything kind of fell back into place. So if you want to show up during your online classes, make sure to have your camera on as much as you can. It also shows that you're engaged in the content, and your professor will definitely notice. So make sure you take your sticker off your camera and press that camera on button.
Try to keep a schedule even if your classes are asynchronous. Establishing a routine is super important to productivity and maintaining mental and physical health, especially when all of our pre-COVID routines have been completely upended. Try to map out a rough schedule that you can follow that includes Zoom call class time, work time, time to unplug and sleep, time to nourish your body, time to move your body, and ultimately try to keep to that a little bit to keep sane.
Getting some fresh air in between classes and after a long day. This will help re-energize you and keep you focused when you do head back inside, and just provide such a great break between your in-class time versus your out-of-class time, and maybe taking a walk before or after your classes will help mimic kind of our pre-COVID routines where you would be walking to class and saying hi to people. So just catching up with those that you love with the phone as you take a walk, or even just taking some alone time out in nature is really nice, especially as we are located in a city that is so loud sometimes and really hectic. So taking walks and just getting little bits of nature where you can is really rewarding.
If you know someone in your class, reach out to them and be accountability buddies. Sharing notes, study guides, or creating them together is a great way to review material and keep each other accountable. Video chatting is a great way to stay connected while also keeping yourself and others accountable. You can quiz each other, practice together, or just create a study environment if you like studying with friends.
Establish a consistent studying workspace. Find a space, not in your bed, to consistently do work and school stuff. This will allow you to preserve your ability to properly rest and unplug without the constant reminder of school, and also to maintain your organized mindset, productive mindset, and resist temptation to doze off. When finding your space, consider things such as lighting, internet connection, comfort, noise level, and also if you live with other people, let them know your schedule so that they can be mindful of their noise level and steer clear of your webcam while you're in class.